Namaste, Hariom. In this series of conversation and communication, my last question was how many hours in a day you sit in a same position, you keep on sitting for your work or for any other reason. And we have received so many replies, and most of them are somebody has said, Acharyaji, I'm a businessman, I sit on my shop, and most of the time I'm sitting in one particular position more than 8 hours. Then there is someone who said that I do my work from home, and more than 8 hours I'm sitting in one single position. There are some youngsters also who have replied that Acharyaji, we are doing online classes, so more than 8 hours or maybe 6 hours we are sitting in front of our screens and sitting in same position. So whether you are a school goer, and not only it is not that only these days when you are doing online classes or work from home, then you are sitting. As per the replies I have received, I felt that even if you are a shopkeeper, you are a businessman, you are a service person, you are a school goer, you are an office goer, somewhere for around 6 to 8 hours you sit in one particular position, and 6 to 8 hours you are working while sitting. Now let me just explain it to you. Now let me just give my reply also, because my work is that I do a lot of physical activity, but that doesn't mean I do my yoga abhyas, I do my nritya sadhana and other walk and lot of other things, but that doesn't mean that I don't sit and work. When I am doing my writing work, when I am doing my swadhyay, I sit for very long, but I always follow somewhere my physical activity compensate my sitting time, but also I follow some rules which I'm going to share with you to keep myself fit and healthy, to stay active even when I'm sitting for long and working. So it's not only while writing or swadhyay I sit, also when I take my discourses, sometimes it is like 2 hours or 3 hours and I keep on sitting in single position. So I follow some rules which I'm going to share with you, but before that it's very important to understand why is it harmful for you to sit in one single position for such a long time. See, we are not meant, our bodies are not designed in a way that we should sit for so long. Our body is a machine and it needs a lot of activity. And also we look at other creatures around us, any other living being, they don't sit in one position for long. Let's take the example of a monkey. How active they are, they just keep on moving, they stay active, they jump from one tree to another, they do a lot of activity entire day. I've never seen them sitting in one posture for very, very long. Our body is also designed to walk, to sweat, to twist, to bend, to be upside down, to be active entire day. Our bodies are meant to be really in working conditions and not only to sit in one single position entire day. Now question is that when we have such a work schedule that we need to sit in one particular position for so long, what can we do, Acharyaji? We cannot leave our work. Absolutely not. Nobody is asking you to leave your work, but still while working, see, we need to understand that by following a yogic lifestyle, even your working capacity, your working ability increases. And it's, if you really want to gain maximum out of you, if you really want to utilize your maximum abilities, you need to be a yogi and you need to follow the path of yoga. When you are working for so long, first important thing is that you need to be very, very conscious about your posture. We need to learn how to we need to learn how to be uh, how to live consciously. We breathe unconsciously, we live unconsciously, we eat unconsciously, we walk unconsciously, So most of the time we are unconscious, we are living unconsciously. Once we start living consciously, things become much better. So one thing that you must do when you are doing prolonged sitting is be conscious about your posture. So your spine should be straight, your neck should be straight, chest out, stomach in. Don't be stiff, but at least be straight. Don't be very clumsy in your sitting. Don't sit with your hunchback. Don't bend your neck forward too much. So this way, or don't use your gadgets while in lying position or in lazy positions. So be aware of your sitting, be conscious about your sitting posture, and this is one very very important thing. Then you need to follow the rule of 2020 of Bharat Yoga, which I have already shared in so many of my videos. To look at the practical demonstration of the 2020 rule, just go to our YouTube channel Bharat Yoga, and if you want to see it in English, you go to Bharat Yoga English and search 2020 rule of Bharat Yoga, or maybe search what can I do if I'm sitting for a very long time, Bharat Yoga. So you will get our video, but I'll just share quickly this Bharat Yoga 2020 rule. So when you are sitting in a prolonged position and when you are working, first is you have to take a break after every 20 minutes, and it's not a very long break which is going to distract you from your work. It is a very short break of 30 seconds. Now this 30-second break is going to bring your health back, and even while sitting for so long, you can still be active and still be healthy. So after first 20 minutes break, after 20-minute break, and then leave your chair or the place where you're sitting and working, and for 30 seconds just walk around and come back and again start your work. So you don't need to talk to anyone, or you don't need to take your phone and do mindless scrolling during this 30 seconds. All what you have to do is leave your chair, leave your space, walk, come back and again start your work. So 30 seconds break after every 20 minutes. Then again after 20 minutes you leave your work, take a 30 seconds break, and this time you don't have to walk. What you have to do is this way you have to follow 30 seconds of free laughter. So see, when you are walking, you maintain your mobility, your blood circulation gets better, intake of oxygen gets better, your posture is changed. So same way, when you do free laughter, it is a wonderful medicine, and it is a wonderful way to keep yourself healthy. You can maximum intake of oxygen is there when you laugh, your lungs opens up, and proper circulation of blood is there when you do free laughter, and energy level goes high and you feel rejuvenated. Then is the third break. After next 20 minutes, leave your work, look far ahead, and you need to blink your eyes like this for 30 seconds and then close your eyes, or just do palming, keep your palms on your eyes, both palms. So these 20 minutes breaks are going to be very very helpful for those who are doing very prolonged sitting, and even for those who are sitting for 2 hours or 3 hours. This rule of 2020 is very very beneficial for me and for millions of other people who are associated with Bharat Yoga, and you all can get benefit from this 2020 rule. Now today's question is a little different. It is about your eating habit. How much white sugar you take in your entire day? Now white sugar not in raw form only, but it is sweets, mithai that you take, or chocolates, or cake and brownies, or anything that is made of white sugar. So an approximate quantity of white sugar which you take in one day. You take one day, spare one day, observe yourself, be conscious about your eating habit, and then reply. Then in next video we will be speaking about this, so I will wait for your answer. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay happy. Dhanyavad. Hari Om. Jai Hind.